After her morning jog, the wife returned home to find her usually lazy husband drenched in sweat and the house completely messed up. She had no idea that what she was seeing was all just an act. In reality, her husband was the heir of a legendary ninja clan. Every time she left the house, he secretly trained in his ninja skills. His precision with shurikens was extraordinary. To outsiders, he looked like an ordinary delivery boy. But when duty called, his entire crew transformed into a modern ninja squad. Only his childhood best friend knew his true identity. But the husband was completely unaware that his wife, too, was a secret combat expert. During her jogs, her light and controlled footwork sometimes gave hints of her true skill. Both of them lived unaware of each other's real identities. Meanwhile, the wife's childhood friend, also a ninja, always doubted their marriage. She couldn't believe that such a powerful woman could truly be happy with an ordinary man. Then one day, the wife received a new assignment: to assassinate a powerful political leader. At the same time, her husband's team was ordered to protect that very same leader. They were about to face each other, completely unaware of it. The wife gathered her weapons at a secret hideout and began preparing for the next day. When she got home, her seemingly carefree husband was sitting there, lost in a video game. Casually, he said, "Make dinner." She silently cooked with effort, but before tasting it, he refused, saying he had already eaten curry for lunch. That broke her patience. To make things worse, he had used her childhood book as a table support, which led to a heated argument between them. The man was exhausted from his monotonous life. As memories of their past flooded back of how much they once meant to each other, he realized that the book he had damaged was her most treasured possession. Apologizing, he said, "Let's relive the old days," at the same restaurant where it all began. The wife saw the same spark of love in his eyes as before. They agreed to meet at 7 p.m., but that afternoon, the wife activated her secret mission. She sent a drone to infiltrate the leader's mansion. However, the faint buzzing caught the husband's attention. In a flash, he threw a shuriken. The drone crashed instantly. The wife couldn't understand why her drone had suddenly fallen. She had no idea it was her own husband who had taken it down. Security at the mansion tightened immediately, and the entire area went on high alert. The husband's dinner plan fell apart, and the wife waited all night for him to return. When he didn't, her heart broke. Without a word, she left the divorce papers on the table and walked out. For 4 days, she ignored all his messages, and his hopes slowly began to shatter. Then everything went out of control. An unknown enemy attacked the leader's mansion. Within seconds, the whole team was scattered. The husband threw a shuriken, but the attacker swiftly dodged it and disappeared into the night.